It does, however, have a sheen to it. It doesn't go away. And if you overdraw your lipstick, as I have, it shows that you've overdrawn them because of the light here and here coming down from above. Brington's lipstick for daytime. Now, should I powder down? Yeah, powder down from my ear my mouth and beyond. Like a little not too much because it's daytime and fluorescent lights in the mall and you get a crazy lady with too much makeup on. Off the forehead. Oh my goodness, I forgot about the eyelashes. Guess I could. Now that I look from a distance, I could pull this out a bit of the subliminal wing. Put your glue applicator back in while you wait because the whole tube will be drying. Now I have a blue lash applicator, which is a pincher, the width of an eyelash, which I haven't found yet. So I've been using pinchers and a metal tip, which tends not to get stuck up in the glue. Now I have hooded eyes and the hood falls right over where the lashes go, so if I just close my eye, I have easy access to the lash line. You pull that up. I may have to go to taping this up and doing eyelashes first. In the future, but theoretically this is just easy peasy. You just place it on the lash line and you're good to go. Ha ha. usually get one corner or the other will go. In this case, neither corner. Yeah, one corner or the other. The inner corner is there, the other corner wants to apply. Now the inner corner wants out. Last time, I don't know. Dumpster diver, trophy wife. Dumpster diver, trophy wife. If it was a real adult, I would put some glue down here and get a stopwatch and time it and see how long it takes for it to get tacky. Your under eye's a little too bright. Which is better than dark circles. So another easy peasy application, and just place this on the lash line and it'll be perfect. Too far that way. Tackiness is good though. What this metal tip is for, I found it's very, you can push something up with it and it doesn't stick to the glue. And I pulled the placement off by doing that. I'm gonna have to redo it. I saw a new product which is black eyelash glue. By Lash Couture. And I bought it and it was so terrible I actually threw it out. And it reappeared on my makeup stand. I was looking for lash glue. Oh, here's lash glue. And wait a minute, that's the one I threw out. Very scary. Or again, is somebody using my makeup while I'm sleeping? We get close, stop. Pile of foundation. Critters of the moon everywhere. Smeared some of my eyebrow onto the forehead. So that would be a tight and strong brush. Like that. Can be used for anything else. Problem with that is if you wipe, they blend and you get gray. So I should have just patted that. And I'm going to clean this off for future emergency use. Like that. And I'll put a bit of powder on that. Foundation. For nighttime, I'm just going to go over the purple eyelids with black. I'll be Ben Patel. Now, highlighter. This is Physicians Formula. Everything they make is great. First thing I bought from them was some kind of skincare thing, and it said this will fix your skin in about 30 seconds. It actually did. I've been rolling on highlight here instead of pulling on the makeup. Just roll over top and apply. Now, since today is Youth Day, I'm going to use my youth hair. And do not put your wig on and flip it over. You can spend an hour combing this thing out and you'll ruin it by doing that. You catch it on your forehead, pull it back, adjust, and then do a hair flip. And you're ready to go somewhere. Shoe shopping. Every lady's dream. And the prices there are about half what they are where I went yesterday. Even their sale prices were more than the retail of this place. It's they're clearing out all the summer shoes. And I don't do seasons, I only do looks. I wear sandals in the rain and the snow. And I'm known for that. Oh, Jane. Your feet are all wet. So yes, but my toes are on OnlyFans. Bought me a house and a car. With wigs, always start at the bottom. Do not pull down. And that sound you hear, it means it needs wig spray lubricant. And if you get stuck at the bottom, shake this back and forth like that. Don't pull, and it will eventually loosen up. I don't know how long that was, but this is 52 minutes. I'm ready for shoe shopping at the mall. So today it's true, the chicks are in the mall. It turned out better than I had hoped it would, because I wasn't going to use primer, but some of its parts, it's more than some of its parts. So, thanks for watching. Profile. Dinner? Well, I hardly know you.